What's up, guys? It's Leafeon. In today's video, we are going to be opening up Leafeon Vstar box. Yeah, that's it. So let's get right into it. Right, yeah, I'm gonna somehow open this. Yeah. I want to try to save it. I'm going to try to save the box.
Yeah. It's really pretty. I really like it. And it has my kitten.
Oh. Yeah. Alright.
Okay. I know how to open it.
Alright, let's see.
And then
Leave it in. Alright, so you get Vstar. Hold on, okay? Let's just wait. And then your promos. You get these out. You have Leafeon Vstar and a Leafeon V. We'll put those in the sleeve. Hold on. Okay. There we go. Leafeon Vstar and Leafeon V.
let's get this one out. Get this one out.
Yeah, show it to them. Then we have Leafeon Vstar Jumbo.
Yep. Just again.
Then we have our 4 packs.
4?
Wait, no. 5 packs. Okay.
Yeah.
And then your code card from the box. Alright, so
I pick mine.
Alright.
I'm going to pick mine.
Hold on, ready? So ready? So, Chilling Range, Fusion Strike, Rolling Skies. Then,
Yes. Yes, this one.
alright. You want to open first?
Yep. Okay. This one.
Alright. Let's see here.
Now I got it.
Sure?
Yeah.
There. This one. Waste of time.
Yes. I have white.
Okay. Let's see.
Energy.
Glisker. Sandiscorch. Bug Catcher. Panpour. Swablu. Scammery. Jinx. Mantine. Okay, Versal Skitty, and Sandiscorch. All right.
Your turn. And I just want this.
Alright. Rolling Skies. Here we go. Hopefully we can pull
Something.
yeah, something. Alright, code card. 4. Energy or swag. I can't read them. Sorry, but Digging Gloves, Scraggy, Feebas, Hitmon, Chan, Slokes, Peedle, Versal Wishawashi. Ooh, Sylveon!
I need that.
V.
I need that because I'm a EV collector, so I really need that for my collection.
Okay.
I need that for
Alright,
my
yeah.
collection.
It's nice.
And that's also matches.
Yeah,
here.
that's your Sylveon pack. Alright. So that was a pretty good pull.
I don't.
Hopefully you can get something.
Yes, hopefully.
There you go. There. I covered it up. 3, 4.
Okay.
Energy. Avalog. Switching Cups. Boldor. Tedursa, Dino, Feebas, Hoppip, Hitmonchan, Reverse Hollow Crystal. Oh, Milotic. Alright. Do you want these cards or no?
No.
No.
I just want the 3. Alright. I just want the 3 because they are my easy one.
No, you're only getting this one and
this one.
And the big one. Those are yours. Okay. Maybe you can trade for the silver one. Alright, 2 more packs. Fusion Strike and Chilling Rain. I should have opened the pack first so that we both get 2. So that you don't just watch me. Alright. Put a card right there. 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
Kendall, do you know where my binder is?
Yeah. Alright. Fire Energy. Charger Bug. Judge. Excadrill. Clobopus, I think. Dynamo. Zorua. Shellder. Oh. Crystal. Like a feet. Oh, 0-1 non-hollow. Alright, last pack magic. Chilling Rain. I don't think we're going to get anything because Chilling Rain, nah, not that good of a set, but it has really good pulls. Like cool alt arts and stuff. So, 3, 4. Right, I did the pack triple. Alright, that's the energy. Okay. Here we go. Energy. Doctor. Fog Crystal. Pattern. Grookey. Sneasel. Heracross. Venipede. Cast Form. Scorbunny. And Wheezing. Alright. That is going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.
Bye.